Next one is rainwater harvesting system, RWH. What is rainwater harvesting system? We want to harvest the rainwater. That is one of the process that is called it as rainwater harvesting. Solution to water crisis and ecological problem, to solve the ecological problem. Rainwater harvesting is the accumulation and storage of rainwater for reuse in site rather than allowing it to run off. Yes, mostly the rainwater that can be able to run off and that can be able to mix with the sewage, and it cannot be used for our future, but we have to collect and we have to store that water that can be able to used for our future. The processing of collection and storing and using for the future, that is called it as rainwater harvesting. Rainwater can be collected from rivers, rooftop, and the water collected is directly to a deep pit. Mostly we want to collect the rainwater in rooftop because in our home, in our houses, we want to collect it. The water percolation and get stored into the pit. Yes, we want to make one of the pit, a large pit. Pit means kuli. We want to make a pit. Then only we want to store the rainwater. The RWH is a sustainable water management practice implemented not only in the urban area but also in our agricultural field also. Yes, the rainwater harvesting is a main process that can be able to harvest, collecting of water and harvesting of water. Afterwards, we want to use in our future. Then it is an important ecological cost-effective method for the future. Environmental benefits of rainwater harvesting promotes adequate of underground water and water conservation. Yes, in our home or houses, we make a rainwater harvesting system, that system that can be able to connect with our borewell or well, that can be able to increase our underground water as well as groundwater table. So that is called it as a water conservation. Then mitigates the effect of drought. Mitigation means reduce the effect of drought. Drought means varachi, completely the water that cannot be present in a particular area, but the drought condition that can be completely reduced. Then reduces soil erosion as surface runoff is reduced. Yes, the rainwater, the topsoil that can be able to eroded in many of the places, that can be able to reduced. Then improves groundwater quality and water table, decreases salinity. Yes, rainwater harvesting improves the groundwater quality because most of the groundwater they are in saline water. In our groundwater saline in nature, that can be able to reduced, and water table also increases. Then reduce flood hazards. Yes, in a particular season, throughout the day, the rainfall that can be able to occur means that can be able to the flood condition that can be occurred. So we want to reduce flood hazards. We want to use the rainwater harvesting system. No land is wasted for storage purpose and no pollution displacement is involved. Yes, we want to store the water, rainwater that cannot be able to wasted in our population completely used that the rainwater. Storing water underground is an eco-friendly measure and a part of sustainable storage strategy. Here are storage strategy for local communities. These are the benefits for the rainwater harvesting. Then what are the importance of lakes? Water bodies like lake, pond not only provide us number of environmental benefits, but they strengthen our economy as well as sure quality of life like healthy. Yes, of course, economy as well as our quality of like healthy. These are the some of the importance of lakes. Lakes as a storage of rainwater provides drinking water, improves groundwater level and habitat of area wherein occurs. In our lake, the rainwater that can be able to collected, that lake that can be able to used for the drinking water purposes. At the same time, it can be able to improve the groundwater level. Then the lakes, the number of aquatic organism also increases. That is called it as habitat of the area wherein occur. That aquatic organisms, fish, frog, etc., aquatic animals, mussels that can be able to increases means it can be able to reduce the pollution also. In terms of service, lakes offer sustainable solution to key issues of water management and climatic influences, local rainfall, removal of pollutant, phosphorus and nitrogen and carbon sequestration. Here, in terms of services of lake offer sustainable solution. Yes, the rainwater harvesting is a overcome the problem, then only a sustainable solution to key issue of water management and climatic influences, local rainfall, removal of pollutant, phosphorus, nitrogen, carbon sequestration. Then environmental impact assessment, EIA. Based on their rainwater harvesting, the EIA play a major role because the EIA is an environmental management tool. Environmental management tool, that management tool that can be able to helps to regulate or recommend optimal use of natural resources. We want to use the natural resources in a particular way with a minimum level, with minimum impact on ecosystem and biotic community. We want to use that type of natural sources in a minimum level that can be based on their environmental impact assessment. Then it is used to predict the environmental consequence of future proposed developmental project. For example, river projects, dam project, highways project, etc., taking into account interrelated socio-economic, cultural and healthy impact. Yes, the EIA play a major role for the environmental consequences because of the development of rivers, dams, highways. Based on that only the social, economical, human health that can be able to increases. These are the interrelated with one another. Then it reduces environmental stress, thus helping to shape the projects that may suit local environmental by ensuring optimal utilization of natural resources and disposal of waste to avoid environmental degradation. Yes, based on the EIA, we want to reduce the environmental stress. Especially environmental stress is nothing but a major problem is pollution or the waste disposal, thus helping to shape the projects that may suit local environmental by ensuring optimal utilization of natural resources and disposal of waste to avoid environmental degradation. Then some other benefits for the EIA, environmental impact assessment. First one is a healthier environment. Then maintenance of biodiversity. Yes, we want to maintain the biodiversity. Decreased resource usage. Yes, with the help of EIA, we want to use the resource in a low level. Reduction in gas emission and environmental damages. Yes, EIA play a major role to avoid or reduce the environmental damage and reduction in gas emission.